I just thought I'd get this out there since I didn't actually record much of it when I did it over the weekend, but this is the bumper so far, putting it together. So, right now, this whole center section is welded together. I'm tacking these on right here. I'm going to tack on this piece that goes right here. And that'll be tacked on. And tack all those on. Then I'm going to start working on the outer wings. And start working on those. Yeah, just thought I'd get together. I might come back after I get that together, or maybe not. I don't know. Hope I'll come back. But anyway, this is just a bumper update. I might be back, hopefully. Anyway, talk to y'all in a minute. Bye. Alright, just got done somewhat, I guess you'd call it tacking, even though I did weld it. Welded on the outside, though the outside is not very, that side's not that bad. This side's pretty bad. I went too hot and too much wire. But underneath, didn't do half bad. It's a good bead. I put the tack back there, right here. That's a good bead, right there. And put a tack in the back. So there's the inside. Inside, didn't do half bad. Oh, once I finally got the hang of it, I got, that's not the greatest, but it's deep. Some of it might not be the prettiest because I was fiddling with the settings, trying to get it to go deep, but also trying to look good. But I ended up getting the hang of it near the end, of course. But once I get done with this, that'll be, well, I got to get the grind a groove down through there, weld the back side of that, do the same thing on this side, grind through that, back gouge basically, and then weld up, and then take it off, and then clamp it somehow, and continue welding it. But yeah, that's it for now. Again, might come back depending on who all comes over. But yeah, talk to you in a minute. Alright, I'm done for the night. It's almost 10 o'clock. Well, I got this center section all welded in. I got the nuts all welded in. And I started just to tack this together, to piece this side together. Yeah. I actually think I need to move that back just a little bit. I need to move it closer. It's just tacked, so I can knock the tacks off and move it closer. Move it closer a couple inches or so. Yeah, like I said, I think I said it anyway. It turned out a little bit wider than I wanted it to be. But man, I've been dealing with uneven corners. That plasma cutter did. Shoot, that plasma cutter needs to be calibrated. Like I was saying earlier, it's only used like once a year or so, but straight lines, shoot, it's somewhat straight, but it's yeah, I mean, this piece right here, you can see this gap right here. See that gap right there? I already ground this down. And hell, I even think this bottom piece is not even straight. The plasma cutter, the straight lines are angled. I don't know why, but it's not very straight. Yeah, it's just not very straight. But yeah, this is where it is right now. Like I said, this turned out quite a bit bigger than I anticipated on the ends right over here. But I mean, hey, at least I can stand on it. Yeah. That's it. I mean, I might try to modify it a little bit. Like I said, I need to move it closer. If I move it closer, it won't be as bad, but it's still sticking out about 10 inches or 10, 11 inches or so. Once the project's over with, I might modify it some. But, yeah. Talk to y'all later. Bye.